clear. Enjoy your ride.
All right, team. MCN should do a little bit of a trivia since we're celebrating the 50th anniversary of this ride. What do you think? Sounds good to you? Okay.
Ready.
So first things first, do you know when this ride opened?
May 8th, 1976.
Ding, 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 ding. That's right. All right. So this ride has been featured in movies and TV shows over the years. Can you name any of them?
Yes. National Lampoon's Family Vacation.
That's right.
Step by Step.
You got it.
The movie Roller Coaster.
Okay. All right, you got that right. Okay. So, woo! All right, so this ride has had some names over the years. Can you name any of the other names that it had?
La Revolution.
Also,
Also, the New Revolution.
that's right.
The Regular Revolution.
All
And
right.
here we are back again to the Great American Revolution.
That's right. All right. Okay, so we're about to go through the loop. Can you tell me how big this loop is?
This loop is 360 degrees. First looping coaster ever in America.
And here we go. Woo! Smooth like butter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love this ride. This ride is so much fun, and it's so fun to know that this is the first looping coaster for lots of people, right?
Yes.
I know, like, this is my daughter's first looping coaster, and it's just so fun to see that right when you come in the front of the park. Do you have any thoughts or memories about the ride?
This is one of the first rides I ever rode here.
Okay.
Since we came in, my father is the person who introduced me and my sisters to riding roller coasters, and we've been enthusiasts ever since.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Woohoo! Little jolt at the end to get you going.
Of course.
Well, you won. You won the big prize, which is back-to-back rides here on the
been a
Great
great
American
morning.
Revolution.
It's been a great morning.
All right.
Lots of revolutions on revolution.
Right. Over and over and over. I love it.
I do too. Great day here in the park.
Yes, this is the best way to start your day. Here in the park, back-to-back rides on the Great American Revolution.